So once the software bundle has been downloaded, you can start the installation by double clicking on the file with the ending with .exe, which is application file. You have to deactivate your antivirus software since an active antivirus software can negatively affect the installation process. It is recommended to temporarily pause any antivirus software until a XAMPP component has successfully been installed. Deactivate your UAC. User access control can interfere with the XAMPP installation because it's limit the writing access to C drive. So we recommend you to deactivate this too. Since in my case we have already deactivated the antivirus and access control, so we will go with the installation now. So this is a setup wizard. If you have opened that .exe file and take a note and you have deactivated your antivirus and user access control, the start screen of the XAMPP server setup wizard should appear automatically. Click on the next to configure the installation setup settings. Choose the software components. Under the select components, you have the option to exclude the individual component of the XAMPP software bundle from the installation. But for the full local test server, I recommend you to install using the standard setup and keep all the available components active. Don't deactivate it. After making your choice, just click on next. Choose the installation directory. In this step, you have a chance to choose where you would like the XAMPP software packet to be installed on your computer. If you opt for standard setup, then the folder with the name XAMPP will be created under your C drive for you. And after you have chosen the location, just click on next. Choose the default language. It will be English, and then start the installation process. Once all the aforementioned preferences have been decided, the start. Click on the start to installations. The setup wizard will unpack and install the selected component and save them to the designated directory. This process can take several minutes in total. So you can follow the progress of this installation by keeping an eye to this green loading bar in the middle of the screen.